Hi Cancer, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest, yung hindi para sa'yo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Cancer. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you. Mga gabay at mga blessings for Cancer. Okay. Energies and messages for Cancer. Mga gabay at blessings for Cancer. Okay, merong conflict or gulo or arguments na nangyari in your situation, and there is someone here na may desire to move on or leaving a situation temporarily. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will be taking a new direction, no? You are looking forward about a project or about, you are excited about sa future mo, no? Okay? Yeah, merong conflict, competition dito in the situation. Parang people, you're not seeing eye to eye, or you're not on the same page with another person. Okay? Yeah, merong pag-uusap dito, discussion, planning, kung ano yung magandang gawin, no? In the situation. Okay? Merong happy news, no? May mga tao na suportado ka or nagsusupport sa inyo. Merong bagong blessing na darating. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you're excited about your future. No? May mga tao dito na pinag-uusapan about your work, about your creativity, or kung meron kang creative project, you feel good. You feel you are supported. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, it's time for you to, what do you call this? To turn away from an impossible situation, no? And move on because you know that you deserve something better. You deserve better, okay? Yeah, and now nakatuon na or nakafocus ka na, yung attention mo na sa work, no? About your career, about your future, about money, okay? Yeah, merong problema, no, when it comes to your home life, no, about security, about your partnership, no, nagkaroon dito ng problema or gulo. And now you have to think about yourself, no. So nurture yourself, take care of yourself, develop yourself. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, there is someone here na parang maayos na ang inyong relationship, but then merong gulo na nangyari dito. And that, kailangan mo na iwanan to, yung ganitong sitwasyon. Okay? Trust your intuition. Listen to your intuition, no? Kung anong sinasabi ng puso mo. Okay? Yeah. You will be receiving attention for some of you and time. Okay? Yeah. Also, for some of you, you are looking forward, thinking about your improvement in your finances, no? Yeah, kung meron kayo mga online or creative venture, no? Parang magiging maayos yan, no? Yeah, magbibigay yan sa inyo ng chance to an opportunity to earn. Okay? Yeah, some of you, meron kayong desisyon na kailangan gawin pero pinagpapaliban mo, okay? You need to make a choice, no? Yeah, maybe is this an opportunity or something like that, okay? Yeah, merong major change or major shift na mangyayari in your life, no? Maybe this is about a relationship, no? Basta sa personal life mo. Yeah, merong pagbabago or a sudden, no, na nangyari. Yeah, merong sudden na mangyayari or nangyari na, no? Na magdudulot ng isang malaking pagbabago. Okay? Okay. So, you are clearing away all things that no longer serve you. Okay? So, parang kung ano man yung mga challenge na to na nangyari sa inyo when it comes to your relationship or married life mo man to or a partnership, something like that. Yeah, so na-overcome mo na yung challenge na yon, yung pain, yung hurts, no? Na-overcome mo na yan. Okay? Ma-overcome mo, kumbaga. Yeah, so Queen of Pentacles, you have to make time, no? Para sa sarili mo, okay? Yeah, nurture yourself. For some of you, yeah, you've been wanting to have a comfortable life, no? Meron din, meron reward na ibibigay sa inyo because of, after ng hard work mo, or because siguro nag-worry ka too much about sa situation, kung anong distraction na to na nangyari. So, I think, kailangan mo i-reward yung sarili mo. Okay? Okay. Reward after much work and worry. Okay? So, give time to yourself. When it comes to money, you are free from worry over money. For some of you, you will be financially independent or secured. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, kung ano man tong creative venture mo, that parang ito yung magbibigay sa inyo ng security when it comes to finance, when it comes to money. Okay? Yeah, good money will come to you, good health, and happy times ahead. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are still healing, no? So, you need to forgive yourself and others, no? Kung ano man to, maybe mayroong something, no? Siguro, yung dynamic ng isang relasyon or, parang merong pagbabago doon, merong nangyari, merong gulo na nangyari. And maybe you are hurt or you are disappointed about the situation. And right now, you are healing, no? So, take time to heal, Cancer. But, parang kung ano man to, okay, parang kung ano man tong gulo na nangyari, parang burden yon para sa inyo, okay? So, there is an ending of a difficult situation or a difficult relationship. Okay? Yeah. Kung ano man tong distraction na to or chaos na nangyari, merong ending dyan. And now, kailangan mo mag-heal. Okay? You need to forgive yourself and forgive others. Okay. Yeah. So, kung ano man yung mga wants and hopes mo, okay, that will be granted. So, make a wish, Cancer. Okay, merong happiness, no? Merong emotion. There will be contentment on your part, no? Emotionally, okay? Merong peace, no? Now is kailangan mo ng long-term plan para sa sarili mo about your future. Yes, about security, financial security. Okay? For some of you, happiness na gusto mo, nandyan na, makukuha mo, malapit na. So, just don't give up, move forward ka lang, okay? Things will fall into place. You will be experiencing true happiness, okay? Maybe because of this work, because of your creativity, no? Kung ano man tong talent or skills na meron ka, or creative venture mo, nakakatulong yan sa inyo to have, or to be happy, okay? And to have that emotional contentment. Cancer. So, the Sun and the Temperance, okay? So, merong paghilom dito sa isang sitwasyon, no? For some of you, magkakaroon na ng solusyon kung ano man tong problema, no? Na nangyari sa inyo. There will be happiness, okay? Be patient also sa mga nangyayari sa inyo if you are waiting for success, for a breakthrough. Okay? So, be patient. Take your time. Yung iba sa inyo, magkakaroon ka ng kapanatagan ng loob, no? Kumbaga, when it comes to career, slow and steady, no? Nagiging maayos ang iyong sitwasyon, ang inyong kalagayan, okay? Yeah. There is a light at the end of the tunnel. Okay? So, magkakaroon, may solusyon din na darating, no? Meron ding liwanag, no? Na darating para sa inyong Cancer. Okay? Yeah. Money. When it comes to money, for now, parang nagkakaroon na ng hustisya. You feel happy, maybe because you are already earning. Okay? Nakakatanggap ka ng isang malaking grasya or blessing. Yeah, for some of you, yes, parang you receive justice, no? Okay, kung meron mang nangyari na mga deception, no? Paglilihim, pagtatago, okay? Or merong dishonesty dito, justice will be served, okay? Yeah, King of Pentacles, merong support or tulong kang matatanggap when it comes to finances, no? Yeah. For some of you, you will be receiving help, no, with money, okay? Kung meron kang problema sa money or kung meron kang negosyo, your business is going well, okay? Or yeah, magiging matatag ang inyong business, no? Merong paglago na mangyayari sa negosyo mo, okay? Yeah. Yeah, the Lovers, okay? So, self-integration, no? Kailangan mo ng desisyon para sa sarili mo, okay? Yeah, also you need to make a wiser or a smarter decision for yourself, no? Or kung meron mang relationship dito, now parang you've learned a lesson here, justice, no? Parang now alam mo na kung ano yung mga gagawin mo next time or sa mga susunod, no? Okay. Yeah, so delays are over, no? You will be doing a lot of things. You will be busy, Cancer. Yung iba sa inyo, good news, no? Na parating about money. Yeah, there will be an improvement sa money mo, no? Yeah, for some of you, you're thinking about how to grow your investment, how to grow your money, or how to improve, no? Kung meron kang ginagawang proyekto or creative venture or negosyo man to, you're thinking about other ways to improve it, okay? Na you are researching, yeah, you are doing some research, no? Paano ma-improve ang iyong ginagawa or ang inyong project or creative project, okay? You are thinking heavily about this, no? Yeah, for some of you, yes. Merong growth, no, or expansion na mangyayari sa inyo, most especially on your creative venture. Okay? Yeah, there is an exciting and new beginning for you when it comes to a relationship, no? Or, yeah, self-integration about sa sarili mo. Okay? For some of you, may mga tao din na, you know, parang hindi din maganda yung intensyon nila sa inyo or merong masamang motibo. Okay, so beware of that. Tingnan mo din, i-review mo din sila, no? Bawat isa, paano ba talaga yung intensyon or motibo nila sa inyo. Okay? Otherwise, choose your battles wisely. Huwag patulan kung meron mang mga arguments or fighting na nangyayari. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, kung meron mang mga changes na nangyayari, you need to adjust, no? Yeah. Kung mayroong mga disagreement, mayroong conflict, mayroong mga dispute, no? Parang hindi ka man komportable, pero kailangan mangyari to so that kailangan mo yon para sa sarili mo, para mag-grow ka, kumbaga. Okay? Yeah. May new exciting beginning para sa inyo, bagong simula, no? You will be more creative for some of you, okay? merong fresh start, no? Merong, yeah, you will be, magkakaroon ka din ng chance to express, no? To express yourself, no? Okay. You will be inspired to do something, no? You will be inspired to do a creative project for some of you, Cancer. Yeah. Yeah, merong someone or this is you, Cancer, you are missing someone, okay? Siguro meron kang naalala or nalulungkot ka, okay? Yeah, merong Knight of Cups dito. Merong someone na magte-take ng action towards you, maybe will apologize or mag-express ng kanilang feelings, no, towards you or affection, okay? Or this is you, you're thinking about taking a chance or taking action towards someone, but this someone is parang cautious, no? Or you are cautious to do it, okay? So, believe in yourself, be confident, no? I-move, continue mo lang kung ano yung ginagawa ninyo, most especially kung meron kayong bagong project or meron kayong creative project na ginagawa. Okay? So, do not underestimate yourself. Believe in your abilities, your skills, your talents, no? And abilities. Cancer, more message for Cancer, please. Merong Parrot. Someone will gossip about all your secrets. Okay? Yeah, so be aware of that. So, hindi lahat ng tao mapagkakatiwalaan mo na hindi, na merong mga tao na hindi pinahalagahan ang inyong sekreto. Okay? Sekreto. Both money or property through inheritance, winning or windfall. Yeah, for some of you, you will be receiving money as inheritance or a property. No? Merong Scales. Keep your life in balance, no? Work-life balance is needed. Cancer. Hindi lang puro work. Siguro you need also to make time. Make time to your family. Okay? Explore other things aside from business or aside from work. Elephant. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Okay. Merong Broken Wishbone. Wish will not be granted. Okay, that is for some of you. Okay, so maybe it is not yet the right time, no? Kung ano man tong wish na to. Okay, so just be patient. Good things come to those who wait, Cancer. If you keep seeing the number 333, this is the message for you. You are being called upon to use your spiritual gifts as a light worker, assisting all of humanity. Live your truths and be a positive light to others. I am powerful. Okay? So, yeah, for some of you, you are a light worker, no? Parang you can help other people by giving enlightenment in their situation. Kumbaga, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you are spiritually gifted. Okay? One more for Cancer. Cancer. Those difficult times will pass. Nothing bad lasts forever. The sun will shine again. The birds will sing and the clouds will clear. And you will be glad you kept moving forward. You will soon be rewarded for your patience. Hold on. You are far stronger than you think. Okay? Yeah, you are far stronger than you think, Cancer. So, hayaan na kung ano man yung mga difficult times, no, na naranasan ninyo, okay? Merong reason yan kung bakit nangyari. Okay? For some of you, to make you stronger, to strengthen yourself, no? And to have a new beginning, okay? For yourself. So, just keep moving forward, Cancer. Alright? So, these are the messages for you. All the best, Cancer. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!